Hey guys, this is Oware from ONG Tax and Accounting Services. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can retrieve your adjusted gross income. So adjusted gross income becomes one of the pain points and one of the problems for many taxpayers, because when they file their tax returns, the software basically asks them for the adjusted gross income from the prior year. So right now, people are filing 2021 tax return and the softwares need the 2020 AGI, or the adjusted gross income. One of the easiest ways you can find your adjusted gross income from the prior year, especially if you're looking at 2020 tax return, is to pick up your own tax return from 1040 page 1 and go to line 11, which is your adjusted gross income. So line 11 is going to give you your adjusted gross income, and that's what you put into the software to be able to validate your tax return. Some people may not be that lucky, maybe because of the document, their tax return got missing, or because of poor record keeping, so for one reason or the other, they don't have their actual tax return, and so they don't have the luxury of getting this form to look at line 11. So when that happens, one of the options is you can probably call the IRS to get that, but the IRS is pretty busy, so calling them it's not going to be of much help, because the waiting time can kill you. The waiting time is crazy. So one of the best options that I can tell most taxpayers is to log in or sign into your own IRS tax account. And I'm going to show you how you do that. If you don't have an IRS tax account, I would advise that you get one, because some of these things are under your control, and you can easily log in and figure some of these things out without having to call the IRS and staying on the line for so long. So, and I'm going to show you real quick. So once you're here, and you can copy this web address into your browser and you get to this page that I'm on. So once you're here, you can click on sign into your online account. And if you don't have an account, you can click here to create an account. Sometimes using this ID me to create an account can become a real hassle and a pain, but it is worth it. If you're able to go through the process and set up your own account, it's going to be there forever, for a long time, and you will be able to have control over your IRS tax account. In this case, let's assume that you have a username already. So if you have a username, you just click here and then you type in your username. You type in your password. These systems are very highly protected and they are highly safeguarded. So when you successfully sign up for this IRS account, the IRS expects you to put in a reliable phone number. So it's those phone numbers that the IRS will use to authenticate your account. So in this case, the IRS have sent me a text message to make sure that I'm the one logging into this account. It's very important, because you don't want any bad actor or any scammer to get access to your IRS account. So it's always important that you protect this account using a reliable phone number. Okay, so in my case, I got the number, so I'm going to put it into the system. And now when the number comes in, the IRS even tells you not to share these numbers with anyone, because it's highly safeguarded. All right, so I'll log in. Continue. Okay. For those of you looking for your AGI information, the way you can find it is you go to tax record, and on the first, just scroll down. It will give you your 2020 return summary. It will tell you the form that you filed, your filing status, your adjusted gross income. So whatever your adjusted gross income is here, that is what you're basically going to copy and paste it into your software that you're using, or that's what you would send to your tax preparer if they needed to authenticate or validate your tax return. Now, I know a lot of you are struggling with how to get your AGI, but this is the easiest way you can get your AGI and move on with your life. I cannot stress on the importance of having an IRS tax account. It's very important. Once you get one, you can be able to do a whole lot of things with it. So for example, if you see the menus we have here, you can check your account balances. If you want to know all the years and the taxes you owe, you can check all of that. You can check your payment options. You can make your own payment. You can make either it's a payment plan, or you're paying your own taxes or paying estimated taxes. You can use this account to do that. You can check your payment activities. You can even retrieve your own transcript. So when you're here, you can go to get transcript, and then once you click on it, you'll be able to retrieve things like your tax return transcript, your account transcript, W-2s and 1089, which we call wages and income transcript. So I'll do another video on those ones. But for now, I think it's important that if you haven't signed up to your IRS tax account, sign up and then skip the holding time. So I hope this helps you guys out as you struggle to find your AGI information. And if you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe, and I'll bring you more whenever it comes up. All right, so thanks, and you have a very good day. Bye.